Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Upstream Oxygen Sensor. This replacement upstream oxygen sensor is for various Toyota and Lexus sedans or vans, equipped with the 3.0 liter V6 engine from 2000 to 2004. This includes popular models such as the Lexus ES300, Toyota Avalon, Toyota Camry, Toyota Sienna, and the Toyota Solara. What your oxygen sensors do is they read the oxygen mixed with fuel content to make sure your vehicle is running as it should and not emitting more pollution than it was designed to do. On vehicles with this engine, there are going to be two oxygen sensors, this one being upstream, which means before your catalytic converter. When an oxygen sensor goes bad, your car or van should have a check engine light, and you may have noticed your vehicle running rougher with poor gas mileage. And if you continue to use your vehicle, you may end up damaging your catalytic converter, or even worse, your engine. While this oxygen sensor is not a genuine OEM part, it is a direct OEM replacement thanks to the OEM fit, quality, and finish this part has. Additionally, this one has an improved sensor meant for longer life expectancy, high temperature wire loom to protect the wires, and of course the OEM electrical connector. Additionally, since this one is an upstream oxygen sensor, this one does have the 4-pin style wiring, which means it is preheated, just like the OEM oxygen sensor. Installation of this is pretty simple if you are comfortable working in or around your vehicle. Just remember that you need your vehicle to be as cool as possible, as the exhaust or header where this part is going to be located is very hot. Additionally, the previous oxygen sensor may have been installed a long time ago. So, consider using some type of chemical spray to initiate loosening, along with a longer wrench that will help loosen the existing oxygen sensor tremendously. If you have any questions about this replacement oxygen sensor, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.